If you are looking to break into the world of business with one of the best Master in Management degrees in the world, the Rotterdam School of Management, Erasmus University is something that you should absolutely consider. Hello everyone, I am Shruti and today we are looking at the Rotterdam School of Management's MIM program. Ranked 19th globally in the QS Business Masters rankings for management and an impressive 12th by the Financial Times in 2024. This program offers a world-class education that blends rigorous academics with practical business experience. But how do you get into this highly competitive program? Let's break it all down for you step by step. Rotterdam School of Management is a prestigious institution based in the Netherlands, known for its strong emphasis on research, international outlook, and top-tier business education. Its Master in Management program is a one-year intensive course designed for students without prior business experience, making it ideal for those coming from diverse academic backgrounds. The school prides itself on creating business leaders who are innovative, collaborative, and ready to thrive in our global marketplace. Within just 6 months of graduation, 88% of students secure employment and an impressive 64.7% land job offers even before graduation. The average salary for graduates is 57,000 euros annually, or approximately 61,000 euros, making this program not just an investment in your education but also in your future earning potential. Graduates typically land roles as analysts, consultants, and business developers in industries such as consulting, internet web services, and business services. Top employers include industry giants like Deloitte, Accenture, and ING. Beyond this, for international graduates, the Netherlands offers the orientation year visa, allowing you to stay and work in the country for up to a year without needing a work permit. During this time, you can explore job opportunities and transition into a highly skilled migrant visa, which comes with more favorable terms, by the way. If you want to dive deeper into RSM's detailed employment reports, check the links in the description below. Now, the tuition fee for the Master in Management program varies depending on your nationality. For European Economic Area students, the tuition fee is heavily subsidized by the Dutch government, coming in at 2,601 euros for the academic year 2025 and 2026. Non-EEA students, on the other hand, will need to pay 24,600 euros approximately. Additionally, if you are an EEA student pursuing a second master's degree in the Netherlands, the fee increases to 14,400 euros. Keeping in mind that these figures are subject to change, so it's best to double check the official website for latest updates. RSM offers a range of scholarships, although they are limited and competitive. These scholarships are typically merit-based, rewarding students with excellent academic records. For non-EEA students, there are scholarships like the RSM Non-EEA Scholarship for Excellence and the Erasmus University Holland Scholarship. EEA students can apply for the Erasmus Trust Fund scholarships, which provides additional financial support. Beyond RSM, there are external funding options from the Dutch government and other organizations such as the Student Scholarship, the NN Future Matters Scholarship, and the Orange Knowledge Program, which is called OKP often. For Dutch and European EEA students, additional student loan options may be available through DUO, the Dutch government's financial aid system. These loans can help cover tuition fees and some living expenses as well. Do keep in mind though that even with scholarships, you will need to budget for living expenses, which we will cover shortly. If you are an international student from outside the European or EEA, you will need an entry visa or a residence permit to study at RSM. The good news, RSM and Erasmus University will guide you throughout the entire process. Here's how it works. Once you have been offered admission, the immigration process kicks off. The university's international office will contact you with a checklist of documents to prepare, including proof of financial means to cover at least 12 months of living expenses, which is approximately around 14,820 euros, a valid passport, a tuberculosis test, depending on your nationality again, and an antecedents form. The university will also apply for your visa or residence permit on your behalf, making the process much simpler for you. It typically takes 5 to 8 weeks for the Dutch Immigration and Naturalization Service to process applications So be sure to meet all the deadlines. And remember, as a non-EEA student, you will need to show proof of funds to cover your living expenses in addition to tuition fees. This amount is refundable once you arrive in the Netherlands and open a local bank account. RSM's Master in Management program is known for its international diversity. The average class size is about 87 students, with 51% coming from outside of Netherlands. This international mix provides a vibrant learning environment where you can collaborate with peers from a wide range of cultural and academic backgrounds. It combines academic rigor with practical application. In the autumn semester, you will cover foundational courses like strategic management, marketing, business analytics, accounting, and psychology and organizations. The emphasis is on developing analytical skills, understanding team dynamics, and also solving real-world business problems. The spring semester dives deeper with advanced courses like the corporate finance, decision science, and corporate governance. You will also complete a team-based consultancy project where you will tackle real-world business challenges and an individual master's thesis. Optional elements like internships and international exchange programs allow you to further broaden your horizons. RSM's Career Center is always there to assist you in finding internships, and many students land their first jobs through connections made during their internships. To apply for the Master in Management program, you must hold a bachelor's degree equivalent to a Dutch Research University degree. No prior business knowledge is required, but you will need at least 20 ECTS credits in research methods and statistics, with 10 of those in quantitative methods. If you studied at an applied sciences university, HBU, or have a degree lacking sufficient academic research content, you may need to complete a pre-master's program before applying. Additionally, RSM requires a minimum GMAT score of 565, a strong GPA in your previous studies, proof of English proficiency, minimum IELTS score of 7.0 or equivalent. Now, living in the Netherlands can cost between 1,235 euros to 1,735 euros per month, depending again on your lifestyle. This includes rent, food, transportation, insurance, and other miscellaneous expenses. Student housing typically costs between 500 euros and 1,000 euros per month, while other essentials like food and public transportation are relatively affordable. If Rotterdam School of Management's MIM program sounds like the right fit for you, start preparing your application today. Visit the program's official website to learn more, and do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss any future updates. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions regarding or applying to the RSM or even other business schools. I will see you in the detailed review of yet another top school. Till then, bye bye.